All right, cutting to Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, who's currently landed in Tirupati Temple. He will be conducting a purification process. In fact, he will be participating in this process where the temple priests will be carrying out purification of the temple. And this comes on the heels of the Tirupati Laddu controversy, where allegations were that adulterated ghee that had animal fat in it was used to make the Tirupati Prasadam over a few months. Now, this has certainly shocked and shaken the faith of scores of devotees. And in light of that, we're looking at the Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan himself, who's now in Tirupati. And we understand scores of people, especially people within the Janasena party, his political party, have come together and are now going to participate in this purification process. Apurva joining us for more on that to give us more clarity on this. Apurva, Pawan Kalyan is at the Tirupati temple right now. We believe nearly 2 lakh people have gathered or were supposed to be gathering. Can you give us some information on what this purification process is all about? How long will this take? Pawan Kalyan participating in it.
Well, Nabila, I'll need to correct you here. The purification process has already concluded here at Tirumala. It took place a couple of days back. What Pawan Kalyan is taking forth right now is a Prayashchitta Yatra, which is the atonement yatra for what had happened in Tirumala. There was a recent report that came out which showed that, the ghee that was used was adulterated, in which the report showed that there were traces of animal fat, including, lard, beef tallow and fish oil kind of animal fat that had been found in the traces of ghee samples that were sent for testing out of the tankers that had been supplying ghee. So there's been a 11-day Prayashchitta Yatra or Yajna that Pawan Kalyan had undertaken starting September 22nd, and now he is on his way to Tirumala from Tirupati. He started from the Srivari Metlu, which is from Alapuri there, and this is the very path from which he will be walking and coming this way. 1600 steps he's already walked, and where we are standing at, this is the point where 2010 steps that we'll at which we are standing. From here is the next set or stage from where he has to go ahead up these stairs as well. This is increasingly very difficult as it goes on from Tirupati to Tirumala. The entire number of steps is roughly around 3,550 steps, and Pawan Kalyan is partaking in going to Tirumala from Alapuri there by these footsteps as well, as a kind of penance that he is taking. This atonement yatra, which is the Prayashchitta Yatra that he is taking forth right now. This will conclude tomorrow, marking the 11th day of his penance coming to an end with his darshan of Lord Venkateshwara there at Tirumala tomorrow morning with his family there. Not only will he be having the darshan, following that he's also to meet with the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam board. He's going to talk, the Deputy Chief Minister is going to talk with the officials there, see what had gone wrong. He's also going to go ahead and speak with them regarding the various departments that are controlled and are run by Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. So it's going to be a jam-packed, segment here for Pawan Kalyan over the next 3 days.
And we see already scores of people who have now come by to accompany him.